Good morning, Facebook. Here we are, Los Angeles. This is our last day here. So this house has gone through a lot of repairs. It's we've installed some wood here a couple weeks back, and they're just trying to keep the whole historical thing that they got going here. Let me go ahead and turn this around and show you what we got. All right, so a lot of this old wood, you can see the tongue and groove, the bevels right here, bevels. So basically we sanded everything down, got everything down to the natural thing. Homeowner ended up going with a stain called neutral. So it's basically this color. And this part right here, the kitchen, there was no wood when we originally started. We installed the wood. Everything looks really, really good. It's got like a natural feel to it. It's a hallway. It's already been stained. This room right here, it's already got its first coat of finish. See, that stops there. This is like a whole new insulation. It wasn't us, but we went ahead and put back some of the old wood. There was a closet in here that needed new wood. We went ahead and took care of that. You can see our guys over here laying on the finish. So everything's looking really, really nice so far. First coat on, this needs to dry. Once that's dry, we'll go ahead and do the second coat. Buff out any imperfections or anything like that. And then our final coat. So everybody have a good day, and I'll do another video in a little bit.